Integration of quantitative and qualitative data. Increasingly, methodologists have emphasized the integration of qualitative and quantitative data as the centerpiece of mixed methods. Integration is an intentional process by which the researcher brings quantitative and qualitative approaches together in a study. By which the researcher brings these two approaches together where they want to intentionally process this integration. Quantitative and qualitative data then become interdependent in addressing common research questions and hypotheses. Meaningful integration allows researchers to realize the true benefits of mixed method to produce a whole through integration that is greater than the sum of the individual qualitative and quantitative parts. Integration, however, is not well developed or practiced. Rigorous reviews of published studies have found that often researchers collect quantitative and qualitative data but do not integrate. The work of Fetters illustrated how integration can be achieved through study design, method interpretation, and reporting. Mixed method research, the integration of qualitative and quantitative when looking for an appropriate research design, we commonly hear for of the moderate quantitative and qualitative approach from which to choose. However, there are also mixed method design. Just as quantitative and qualitative design vary, so do mixed method designs. Mixing method in a research study can occur at different stages. They can be mixed in terms of the research objectives, mixed at the data collection stage, and mixed during the analysis. As always, the specific research questions or questions of the study will drive the decisions to adopt a mixed method research design and where and how to use it. Furthermore, researchers can use these methods concurrently or sequentially. That is, researchers might use a qualitative and a quantitative data collection instrument at the same time, or they might use one instrument first and analyze the data collected from that instrument and use that to inform the construction of the second one. There are benefits to conducting mixed method research studies. The first and perhaps the most frequently discussed is the benefit of triangulation. Just as one might use a couple of quantitative or qualitative methods in purely qualitative study to triangulate the research results, one does the same with the mixed method design. Second, mixing research method in a study can provide a more holistic picture of a phenomena by approaching it in a different ways. Third, a mixed method approach may lend itself to stronger explanations of phenomena. There are other particles benefits to this as well. They say that researchers find an interesting pattern through a statistical analysis that they want to know more about. Adding a qualitative component can help researcher understand the human aspects, the thoughts, feelings, and perspective behind that phenomenon. Conversely, a qualitative study might find meaningful patterns and themes in what people say that could have important implications for public policy. Using those qualitative findings as a starting point for designing a quantitative instrument to quantify those findings might provide just the information needed to bring about those policy level changes. In short, there are multiple factors to consider in research design, depending on the purpose of the study, though not without drawbacks. All research design and methods have a mixed methods approach can be a powerful approach to research that yields stronger inferences and explanation and a holistic picture of the phenomena under study.